Kurumirira mateta maria kiama kia arutani gia KUPPET kirekereirie megie thirikari kurekereria chemicals njuru kuri arutwo na arutani, Minista wa Githomo George Magoha na mwandiki mukaru Belio Kipsang ni mareganite na ndeto ino, makiuga thirikari ndingirekereria chemicals ingeiga ugima wa mwiri na arutani hatikaini. Kuringana na Belio Kipsang, augete matire maramukira mateta o mothe, guku akiuga chemicals iria irahuthikire no iria arutwo marahuthagira hindi ya mathomo mao ma chemistry.
For chemistry, it is a story. Nobody has. We have not had any formal complaint. I can say that one. And nobody has come out to say there was any issue. Because these are normal chemicals we have been using.
Ona gukiri uguo, kiama kia arutani gia KUPPET ni kiugete ni kiamukirite mateta kuma miena itiganite ma arutani aria marahutirio ni thina wa chemical iyo, guku mwandiki mukaru wa kiama giki Okelo Misori akiuga chemical ino ni ugwati kuri ugima wa mwiri.
Is it working that you want to eliminate cheating by causing death? We have said that this is also, it is an organic solvent, and there are so many organic solvents which could have been used.
KUPPET ni hitete guthitanga thirikari niguo gutigirira arimu aria mahutitio ni mutino uyu ni marihwo.
May consider seeking court action so that we can get compensation for the teachers who are involved.
Kurerikana chemical ino ihuteti arutwo aria marekaga kigeranio kiu udumwe na arutani aria maramarugamirire. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.